Hey guys, I am filming by holding a ring light with my phone attached to it. Yeah, this is what my vlog setup is like right now. So it's the 1st of August, it is 8 p.m. and I am determined to film a video, well, a vlog, and get it up for you guys right now because my last video I said that I wanted to be more consistent because I have social media goals, and what do? I go missing. I'm in my room, and my room is a mess because I tried filming a fashion video and I literally had to move everything in my room around to get my clothing rack to be here so that I could film properly and have, I guess, a lot of things in frame. Okay, let me break down my mess. I have a lot of clothes right here on my bed because as I was taking out the clothes, I was throwing it on my bed. Yeah. This is a fancy area. I got ready and it is a mess. Can you see that little corner on that side there? There's even more of a mess. There's a whole set of packages that I would have ordered throughout quarantine that I'm now getting into. And just like a lot of shoes on the side. So it's not like real messy, it's just everything is not where it's supposed to be. Bro, ugh. This is my struggle hanger. I think this is the only hanger that I've had that has broken in so many different places on different occasions. Yeah, I think I need to give her a little break. Well, she already broken, but yeah, so dirty clothes. Okay, so yeah, let me just start back hanging things up. Also, I cannot wait for y'all to see the video. I recreated Lori Harvey's outfits and I think it came out so good. Well, from the footage that I saw, I haven't edited it yet. Also, my favorite videos to watch are those where I could do whatever I need to do and listen to whatever the person is like doing or talking about. Yeah, like I don't want to have to sit down and pay attention. Let me know if you guys are like that because I have been loving long vlogs and very chit-chatty videos. I know I'm not the only one. And then I have a lot of clothes that are new that I used for the video, but I haven't done like a unboxing or like a little haul yet. So I have to put it back in the in the package that it came in. So there's another thing that I wanted to know. But yeah, this blazer, she has been with me for a very long time. She kind of tight, she kind of small, but she served her purpose. Okay, so what I'm about to do is kind of make this area. Oh damn, I just realized that one of my things fell. I guess I should say sometimes use a Bluetooth remote to help me take my pictures, and I think when I was putting the clothes on this little thing that I have here, it fell off. Thanks. What I'm about to do right now is make this corner less messy. It's ridiculous how much packages I have that are still unopened. Well, I can't say it's not unopened, well, it's unopened because obviously I opened it, but yeah, there we are. At this point, it doesn't really matter what bag they go back into. You just need to go back into the correct brand bag. So this is Drilux label.
She brought her buddy in. What you studying? Education. That's where the money is. You think you're funny, huh? You're the funniest. So what about you? Her friend replied, I don't go to school. Okay, what you do? I'm a dancer. And quick question, are you a Cancer? I said, hell nah. Where you dance at? She said, Blue Flame. They should be jam-packed. I said, damn facts. So where your man's at? They said, what's that? Smiled at each other and they both laughed. I don't need a man, she my other half. We got something not a lot of others have. Feeling Joe, we lost this shit. Got on my own, my course to get alone night. Ooh, way to them, way to kill the ooh. No, you like that seeking.
Alright, so there. My phone about to die. And again, too late. But this is the amount of progress that I made. My room isn't fully clean, but that's what I'm doing for tonight. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Like, I'm not even lying. Okay, so let me break it down. The last time I was filming this vlog, I was in my room and I was like, I want to film it and edit it on the same night and get it up because I really wanted to do a little consistency challenge for August. But you see, what had happened was I edited the vlog and when it was time to upload to YouTube, my laptop died. And then I just got discouraged and I was just like, you know what, I'm just not gonna post this vlog. And I skipped that Sunday. But it's a week later now, and I'm trying this again. Literally, I'm trying to. I really want to be consistent, but like I feel like I just don't know how. Okay, so I set you all up on my little table, so I'm gonna give you all some updates. So I was cleaning my room a week ago. My room's still in a mess. The other side I didn't get to clean. It is what it is, right? It's not like a big mess. It's just that things are not very organized. But second update, my mom and I, we have a beauty room at the house and we are going to be redesigning it, which is very fun for me because I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. And then the third thing is that I wanted to do a consistency challenge in August, and yeah, the first week of August has passed and I haven't really done anything. But I sat down and planned what I think my content for the rest of August should be. And yeah, we're gonna shoot some of it now. So I'm about to take a shower. Yeah, I know, at 3 o'clock in the morning, this is when I get motivated. I'm about to take a shower, and after the shower I'm gonna figure out if I want to create content or go and sleep. I am about to put my hair in a scarf and then put it in a plastic cup. It'd be like this sometimes out of the bathroom, and I think I definitely want to push myself. There are a couple of things that I don't really need to like get all dressed up for, that I think I should take the advantage of this time when I'm up and awake to do. So I'm about to just moisturize my skin because I haven't done that yet. I really like this Dermalogica Daily Resurfacer, and then I'm gonna use this Fresh Youth Preserve Moisturizer. Okay, so one of the things that I desperately need to do is fix my hair because the first picture that I'm gonna try to take is of my hair, it's supposed to be the end of a wash and go, or like day one of a wash and go. This is definitely the time to wash my hair. I'm gonna put some of the Black Vanilla 4-in-1 combing cream. I definitely need the top of my hair to not be as frizzy. This is what my hair looks like, and I'm gonna kind of let it dry because it's kind of dark now. Okay, I just did my edges, and that's why my hair's tied like this. But I think I'm gonna take advantage of me being awake and willing to create content. So I'm gonna do some very light makeup. I'm just gonna do my brows, probably do a little bit of concealer, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. It is 4:33. You're gonna tell me why I'm doing this to myself, and it just started raining. But let's create some content. Alright, so I am about to start taking pictures, but I want to use my second camera because I'm using this one to vlog. Okay, so most times when I'm taking pictures, I'm literally in between this area and my product shelf. Like, I just have a white wall, and I set up my ring light and my camera right in front of me, and I take pictures. Okay, so the part that y'all don't see when it comes to creating content is the planning that goes behind it. I made this little thing, like a shot list, that tells me all of the pictures that I need to take, all of the videos that I need to take, and that's kind of what I'm going to go through right now. I kind of want to create a first set of content so that I'm not uploading everything on the same, well, I'm not creating the content on the same day. I feel like the white on white, even though that is what I was going for, it's not giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna throw something on. If it's not white, then it's black. I'm having a little vision, a little silhouette moment. We're trying this. Okay, so this is the second outfit. I just changed into this matching set. I'll show y'all like what it looks like in a sec. It is house 6 and I only got one picture so far. Anytime I have to shoot any kind of fashion content, shooting pictures on the whole is very difficult for me because I don't know how to pose. But I wanna kind of change up my hair a little bit. The second picture that I'm trying to do is a portrait of myself, really just like a picture of myself from directly in front. So I feel like I want to pull my hair back. I'm trying to give you angles again. It's very difficult to do because I don't have places in my room to set up a camera on top of, you know. I am gonna be using a little rubber band. I used to, just for extra security, and basically it's like a half up half down situation. This is like my favorite hairstyle. Okay, we got the second picture down. Now it's time for the third one, and it's the cover photo for real. What's in my bag? So heading into my new stuff. I don't know what I'm wearing though. And this is the bag that I'm gonna use. It's new. It's from Miss Lola, but it is like the color. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so for the third outfit, I think I want to do this little dress. Honestly, I don't know what to wear for the photo. We got the picture, but my iPad is on 3%. Let me show you all the picture. So cute. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna put my iPad to charge. It's on 2% and figure out what I'm doing next. Okay, so I just realized that I did not finish my vlog after I like took pictures and stuff. I also want to mention, like, I'm having this thought of vlogging little bits of my week and compiling it into one video, and throughout the week uploading YouTube shorts, because there's a thing now and I create a lot of content for like TikTok and Instagram that I could repurpose on YouTube instead of trying to do like an actual video. Obviously I would do like some videos here and there in between, but I think for like August it might be a little bit more practical if who is messaging me so late in the morning? And two messages too. Yeah, it would be more practical if I upload my mini TikToks or shorts and conserve my energy. Y'all can let me know like what y'all want to see in the vlogs. I know I'm a terrible vlogger, but it's because I don't know what to share. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know what to share, so I'm just trying to like shoot little things here and there. But yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.